Here's how to create an event in Eventbrite. So to do this, go and open up the Eventbrite website and just click create an event. Then if you don't have an account yet, you will be prompted to create or sign into your account. From here, just enter your event title, when does your event start and end, and is it located at a venue, and if so, at the location. Is it an online event, or is the location not yet certain, so then it will be to be announced, and then here set the price per ticket for your event, for example $25. You could also choose to make your tickets free. Then what is the capacity for your event, for example 100, so then it won't sell more than 100 tickets, and then you can click create event in the bottom right and it will now be created. Now from here you can just confirm your payment details, you can go and create your landing page and update everything here. And basically now you can just start selling tickets. Now I've created a full Eventbrite tutorial where I show you how you can do everything, so if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link to that video down in the description. But now you have successfully created your own event. So now you know how to create an event in Eventbrite. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.